how to ignore messages on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's learn how to ignore messages. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section. Please keep in mind that you can only ignore group chats on Messenger. You cannot ignore messages from individual conversations. Let me explain, as this can confuse many of us. The first chat in my list is a group, while the second one is an individual conversation. Tap and hold on the group chat, a menu will appear and you will see the option to ignore. Unlike groups, if you tap and hold on an individual conversation, the option to ignore will not appear. Instead, for individual conversations, you can archive them. In conclusion, you can ignore group chats, but individual conversations can only be archived. Now let's ignore a group chat. Tap and hold on it, then tap Ignore. Once ignored, the group chat will disappear from your chat section. To find it again, tap on the hamburger icon, then tap on the archive option. Over here, you will see your ignored groups. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to ignore messages on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.